Hi, Dave Odell for the Shop Now Network. We are inside the Daytona Flea and Farmers Market, and we are at the booth of D G's All Mart. And with us is Karen and Debbie. So thanks for joining us today. Now, it seems like as I look around the booth, I see a lot of dice and games and things like that. But let's start out first. You do watch repair, which is kind of a lost art these days.
I do minor repair. I do batteries and bands, things like that. I've been doing it here at the market over 32 years. So, I mean, a lot of people know where I am, but a lot of them don't, so I like them to be able to find me.
Okay, that's fantastic. So 32 years, that's a long, long time here. Now tell us about some of these games and the dice games and things like that. Let's start out with this game right here, if we could get it out there then. And tell us how this works then. I see a lot of numbers here.
This is the double 12 Mexican dominoes. And it's played just like a domino game, except you have your wheel where you set off your starting points from.
Okay, this is the wheel right here then.
Yes, it is.
It's inside the
yes.
lid, okay.
And this one is in a nice travel case.
In case you go to Mexico?
In case you go to Mexico. Absolutely.
All right.
But this is a very popular game. A lot of people play it. They love it.
Okay. All right. Now, Debbie, if you could tell us about some of the things. I see you have Pokino here.
Pokino, that's kind of an older game. A lot of people like that. It's hard to find, but we do have it here. And we got card holders, we've got card shufflers, we got cribbage, we got dice, we got LCR, which is a very popular game.
Okay, show us one of the card shufflers if you can. Is that's right here?
We have this one right here.
Okay, automatic card shuffler.
Yeah.
So a lot of people play cards these days, and of course it's very difficult for a person like me to just, you know.
Well, we have 2 deck,
there.
we have 4 deck, and we have 6 deck. So any size you like, we have it.
All right. Now, do you play cards yourself?
Not too often.
Not too often. Okay. So we are here at the D G All Mart booth inside the Daytona Flea and Farmers Market, and we're going over some of their stuff here. Now, down here I see you got some really big dice down here.
Popular. Believe it or not, that's our best seller, the big dice.
The big dice, and then you have medium-sized dice and smaller dice and so on and so forth. Now, what is the red dice mainly used for? Games?
I think they like to roll them on the floor. I don't know what they do, kind of gambling or something maybe.
All right, okay. What about the big dice? What is that mainly used for?
They just like the dice. They like the big feeling, and the older people can see them better.
Okay, all right. Now, I see right here that you have a baby shark.
Yeah, baby shark.
So, which is a neat little game. Baby Shark is very popular these days with people.
Sharks.
Okay.
And we have Mahjong also.
I'm Dave Odell for the Shop Now Network. We are inside the Daytona Flea and Farmers Market, and with me is Debbie, and she's going to show us some of these beautiful Rada knives that have been around for a long, long time, and tell us about this product.
These have been around since 1948, and they're made in Waverly, Iowa, and it's one of my most popular sellers. They're all aluminum handles, and now they've come out with the black handles, which are dishwasher safe. It's a very popular knife, and most people know what they are without even telling them.
Yeah, when I grew up as a young man, my mother had a set of those Rada knives, and they are very, very good knives. They last a long, long time. Very sturdy made. So anyway.
They have a lifetime guarantee.
A lifetime guarantee. Okay. All sorts of great stuff out here at D G All Mart. They've been here for almost 33 years, as a matter of fact. They do some watch repair.
I know we don't look that old, but
they got all sorts of great stuff. Dice, of course, and of course Mexican double train 12 dominoes. So check that out. And
I also have bamboo sheets. I have, I think, about the biggest selection in the market with the sheets
and the best prices.
And the pillows.
Tell us what is the big deal about bamboo? I see bamboo pillows, bamboo sheets, and things like that. How does that make the difference?
The sheets are so soft, you just don't want to get out of bed. I have so many people that come in here and they say they're the best sheet they've ever had. I sell them for $14.99 a set if you pay cash, and people buy 10 and 20 at a time.
Oh, really? Now, are these what, queen size, king size?
I have twin, full, king, and queen.
Okay,
and
so
I also have the pillows.
all right, they come in all sorts of different sizes. All right, lots of things out here at D&G All Mart. So come on out and check it out. For the Shop Now Network, I'm Dave Odell.